Alright, what's up, guys? So today we took a big W. We made around $2,000 trading NASDAQ. And as you guys can see from my face or my my voice, it is still early. It's 9:50 a.m. that I'm recording. So yeah, people in Telegram ate, as you guys can see. And here I'll show you a clip of the trade I took. So yeah, 1 to 4 RR today. Very nice. Done before 10 a.m. I'm done with trading for today, and yeah. So I'll break down the trade that I took today. And yeah, if you guys were in the Telegram or if you guys were tuning in, all those videos are for free. So you do what you want to do with this information, I guess. And yeah, so let's start. But I think I need to go on a non-delayed because I'm too early right now. Let's see here. Um, okay, I think this will work. So like always, today we had news at 10, but honestly at 9:30 we just got the perfect, no, 9:35 we just got the perfect setup that, wow, it was just beautiful. So yeah, let's mark up our areas like always. London high and low, Asia, previous days highs and low. I didn't mark them, there's no need, it's way too far. And now gaps went on to a 4 hour as seen. Okay, wait, that's not correct here. Here guys, I'm gonna backtest on top step. It's just I don't like top step backs, I prefer trading view. Okay, but my things are already there, nice. Okay. So we have Asia session, London session, because we don't have the indicators on top step, so those are the days. Lines are there. Now gaps. Gaps, yeah, we had this 4 hour gap right there. It's not showing. Maybe because that's the index one and not the future one, probably. Anyway, scale down to the 1 hour. This looks good. On the 1 hour, we had this right there. And if I remember, we had this gap right there. 8, yeah, because this wasn't there, right? Okay. Go on the 5 minute. Yep, perfect. So today, it did same thing as yesterday for the gap. And what I mean by that is, as you guys can see, it filled it, but there's no second entry and it just dropped. So let's say we entered like yesterday, we would have had our 1 to 2. So that's 2 days in a row the gap just get filled and drops, but that's not the trade I took anyway. But that's something to keep in mind, okay? But today, look at that. That's just beautiful. And mind you, I only took my profit here at this line. So here, I'll show you guys. So we didn't get any other candle, so I can enter, so I just waited. There's no entering for no reason. I'm just waiting. 9:30, we get our confirmation and only wick. From there, as you guys can see, 9:35, I'm in. NQ long. And I placed my stop loss to a 1 to 4 or around here. So I placed it right there, but then price ended up coming back and I just got my 1 to 4, which is perfect. Now, this is crazy. Just imagine if I hold it a little bit more. I mean, as you guys can see, those candle, I didn't want to do anything. Um, I could have had a 7 RR today, easily before 10 a.m. So, yeah, that was basically the trade right there. And as we can see right now, price is shitting back down. But yeah, very easy. All of that before news even came out. So yeah, so we had this right there. Um, so we had this right there. We could have an entry, so like yesterday, and then this right there. And yeah, that was it for today. I don't know what's gonna happen later. It's still 10, so and so yeah, guys, I was saying we had our two entries and we're done for the day. All that before 10 a.m. And I was gonna say, even though we ended up losing, um, here, let's get into performance. Even though we lost Thursday, Friday we had good trades. I just was stupid. I didn't win and I broke my rule, so I took more than trades that I'm supposed to do. And yesterday, the gap, so that's another loss that I'm not supposed to have taken. But anyway, it already happened. What I'm trying to say is good risk management, it's what it is. So if I was following my rule, minus 500, 500, 500, 1.5, right now I would have been in profit on about plus 400 or something. So right now we're at minus 200, which is good. We're still gonna end up in profit on the week, hopefully. So we have 3 days left, and yeah, I mean, we may end up the week on plus 2k, plus 3k, or we'll see. I mean, it's still good, and yeah. Um, so yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, bye.